Did you know that there is an invisible energy thief hosted in the bodies of millions of people, especially the elderly, that almost no one can detect? I'm referring to silent parasites and worms. Hello, my name is Dr. Leo Antonovich Bokharia, a Russian cardiovascular surgeon, professor and academician, president of the A.N. Bakulev National Research Center for Cardiovascular Surgery of the Russian Ministry of Health. I need you to pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. Worms and parasites are invaders that divert vital nutrients, weaken the heart, deplete your energy reserves, and shockingly, may be the true driving force behind your accelerated aging. The scariest part is that even people with a disciplined routine who consider themselves perfectly healthy could be victims of this contamination without showing a single clear symptom. And when the more obvious signs finally appear, the wear and tear on the body may have already reached alarming levels. But the good news I have for you is a forgotten truth. Nature offers accessible, low-cost solutions. There are natural remedies that promote a real internal cleanup, expelling these invaders and restoring the unshakable vitality that was stolen. And today I'm going to lay my cards on the table and reveal the 5 most potent natural active ingredients that every mature person should know and use as a wellness protocol. Before we dive into the complete list of the 5 natural heroes, I want to give you an immediate and extremely easy win that you can apply to your routine as early as tomorrow. If you decide to wake up and consume a handful of raw pumpkin seeds on an empty stomach, you will be striking the first master blow against parasites that may be hiding in your digestive system. The secret lies in a compound called cucurbitacin, a substance that acts as a paralyzing agent for many types of worms, leaving your body free to eliminate them gently and naturally. It's an incredibly cheap resource, and the effect is remarkable. Many seniors who have adopted this simple habit report feeling an immediate increase in energy and even improved digestive comfort in just a few days. This is just the first of several natural weapons you will discover today. Now let's move on to the essential list of 5 natural remedies that promote a deep cleansing of the body. The first one is raw garlic, a food so familiar that it hides an extraordinary vermifuge power. When crushed and left to rest for a few minutes, garlic releases active substances that create a hostile environment for parasites. In addition to strengthening immunity, garlic also benefits digestion and circulation. The protocol is simple. Consume 1 small crushed clove of garlic, preferably on an empty stomach, mixed with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. The second ally is extra virgin coconut oil. In it we find lauric acid, which transforms in the body into monolaurin, a substance capable of sabotaging the protective wall of parasites. In addition to its antiparasitic effect, it is a source of energy and improves satiety. The practical recommendation is 1 tablespoon pure, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or mixed into coffee or tea, repeated for a few consecutive days. Moving forward, we have the third ally, which is wormwood tea, also known as Artemisia. This plant carries a centuries-old tradition as one of the most effective vermifuges, combating both established worms and immature forms, which is crucial for breaking the cycle of silent infestation. You prepare it using 1 teaspoon of the dried herb for 1 cup of hot water, and drink it once or twice a day for a few days. The fourth powerful ally is papaya with its seeds. While papaya is a delicious fruit, its seeds concentrate a potent enzymatic power. They work by weakening the structure of parasites. Grind 1 tablespoon of the seeds and blend it with half a glass of water. Drink it on an empty stomach for a few days. And finally, the 5th item, but no less important, is clove. Small but mighty, it contains an essential oil called eugenol, which fights not only the adult worms but also the eggs they lay. This is essential for breaking the cycle of reinfestation. You can use it in powdered form, sprinkled on fruit, or as an infusion using a few cloves in hot water. Now that you know the 5 allies, let's talk about synergy. When used strategically, they don't just eliminate the invaders, they shield the digestive system. For centuries, traditional peoples used simple mixtures to perform real internal cleanups. The recipe I will reveal now is one of those traditional and extremely powerful formulas which creates a cleansing effect in the intestines. The formula requires 2 cloves of raw garlic, 1 tablespoon of crushed papaya seeds, 1 tablespoon of pure honey, and 200 ml of wormwood tea. The preparation method is simple. First, crush the seeds and mash the 2 garlic cloves well, letting them rest for 5 minutes. Next, prepare the wormwood infusion. letting it steep for 5 minutes. Mix the warm tea with the seeds and garlic. Add the honey to improve the taste and drink it immediately. The usage protocol is in the morning, on an empty stomach. Do this preparation for 5 consecutive days. Then, take a break for 3 days and repeat again for another 5 days, completing the shock cycle. Remember the essential precautions. This is a high-potency formula. People with a sensitive stomach should start with half the dose. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should not use wormwood and always drink plenty of water to help eliminate the waste. It is a common mistake to believe that parasites only affect the intestines. The truth is that they compromise the biological function of the entire body. They actively compete for essential nutrients, creating conditions of anemia and exhaustion that over time leave deep marks. A contaminated elderly person may manifest symptoms that seem unrelated: constant tiredness, irritability, lack of mental focus, and even memory lapses. This happens because parasites release toxins that circulate in the blood, poisoning the body and accelerating aging. By using natural strategies like these, you are taking back control of your body. The improvement in the absorption of iron and vitamins, for example, reduces conditions of anemia and restores vitality. Many report that after this cleanup, their sleep deepens, their mind becomes clearer, and even their mood improves. Another seldom discussed consequence is that by reducing the presence of parasites, you decrease silent inflammation. This protects vital organs like the liver, kidneys, and heart. The immune system, once overloaded, gains strength and fights infections more efficiently. In short, eliminating parasites is a matter of quality of life. If you've made it this far, you deserve a simple, cheap, and almost forgotten gift that can reinforce your defense system. This secret was used by Tibetan monks and communities in India to keep the body in a state of constant cleansing and protection. The ritual is easy. Daily, consume a glass of warm water with a few drops of lemon and a pinch of sea salt. This habit creates an inhospitable intestinal environment. The lemon balances the pH and the sea salt aids in detoxification. The best way to prepare it is simple. Right after waking up, warm a glass of water until it's lukewarm. Add the juice of half a fresh lemon and a very small pinch of sea salt. Drink it on an empty stomach and wait about 15 to 20 minutes before eating. Repeating this process for 7 days in a row already brings a feeling of lightness. One important detail: don't overdo the salt. If you have high blood pressure, you can use just the lemon with the warm water. Subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell, because in the next video I'm going to reveal another natural secret, even more surprising. Your health is precious. Take care of it today, until the next video, and may God bless you and your family.